So if you're looking for a mat for your bathroom, so if you're looking for a towel for your bathroom when you get out, these towels may be something that you are looking for. This is a floor towel. It is a 2-pack engraved from SEMAXE. We're going to open up the box, show you what you get inside. As gentle as you, SEMAXE comes in a nice packaging. As we take the towels out, lay on the floor. After your shower, you step on and absorbs the water. It measures about 2 feet across by 3 feet, 20 by 30 to be exact, and this is the color and the design. It is striped, and we're going to show you what it looks like in the bathroom. We have a mat on the floor, and this is the floor towel. It lays over the mat or on the tile floor, like so. Put in front of the vanity or in front of the shower. Absorbs the water from the shower getting out. 4 bathrooms, different sizes and all. Machine washable, simply fold and wash. Dryable as well. The shower foot towels is absorbent. It takes water and absorbs. Your bath foot towel for the showers, bathroom stalls, and more. Enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for.